In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Facebook we could not confirm or identity error. Let's get started. Make sure your name and date of birth match information on your government issued ID. Likewise, upload a clear ID. Take a sharp, well-lit photo of your ID. Ensure all four corners are visible and the text is readable. Supported IDs typically include a passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Likewise, you can check for app updates. Head over to App Store or Play Store. Search for Facebook. If you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Likewise, check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if necessary. Avoid using a VPN during the verification process. Next, wait and try again. If you have submitted your ID recently, Facebook may need additional time to review it. Avoid submitting multiple verification requests in a short period. If prompted, complete any additional security checks such as confirming your email address or phone number. So that's all for this video. By following these steps, your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.